Okay. So get out your sax. This is your sax. We're going to learn the parts. That in your hand is the reed. You're going to want to open this on your lap because it'll fall off. And the bad
Things will happen.
like it'll break. So put the reed on your stand. Open this up. Now see the big part? Grab it by the opened end with the bell, just in here, to pull it out. That's the body. I'll put it back. This part is the neck. Here's your mouthpiece. Take it in ligature. Put the mouthpiece on this side. Because this part wants to face down.
You should have told me that.
While you're putting it together, put this in your mouth. I'm not kidding.
Yeah,
Is it on?
I guess.
Okay, this goes on next. The little screws. No, keep it. Put this on next. These will go here. Like on that. You're going to take the reed out of your mouth. And you're going to slide it with this flat end against the black in there. Just on top. Until it's lined up with here, but a little bit of black can be seen. And you tighten the ligature on it. Very good. Make sure it's tight, it doesn't come off. Okay, well, that wasn't done. Is the ligature on more? Maybe go farther down. A little more. Because it gets thicker. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to roll your bottom lip over your teeth, put the wood on there, and then bite down on top of it, and blow. Put more of it in your mouth. Roll your lip over and bite down on the top. Yeah, that's what you want. Make a sound. Beautiful. Okay, remember how I told you to get that out of there? What's that called?
The body.
Take it out. Alright. How I'm going to put that on to loosen the screw. Put the neck on. Yeah, just make sure it's loose. Ready to tighten up the It's loose. That's loose. Now put it in there. Don't break it, just put it in there. Make sure everything's lined up. And then tighten the screws. Okay, this is your neck strap. You put this around your neck. It's over here. Now, there should be a hook in here. Let me get out. Okay, so what you want to do, you want it between your legs. You don't want to be leaning down to it, so pull this up more. Tighten this a little bit. Okay. Try to mix up. Okay. Alright, we're gonna learn B first. So we'll put it down, put the fingers on. What you're gonna do with your right hand is you're gonna put it under this right here. There's this thumb rest. Put it under there. And then 1, 2, 3 on the white keys. 1 there, 1 there, 1 there. Your pinky just hangs up. On this one, your thumb's gonna rest on the black here. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3. Okay? Can I sound? Keep your there. Right. Okay. Right. So B is your first finger on your left hand. Okay, just hold the first finger down. Play it. Right. Okay. Play the B. He looks like this on the step. Okay? Alright. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna play this one. I'm gonna count by 4. So this is a whole note. Do you know what a whole note is? You know notes? Okay. So I'm gonna give you 4 and you're gonna play. Make sure you play the rest too. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 4, 1. No, stop playing. 1. Rest, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 2, 3, play. Good. At least you're getting sound. That's nice.
I thought I'd get.
Next, we're gonna play A. A is 1 and 2. So play it.